Some people may have some live here or may have a share with you scene. So Kyla, right, have something to say about a dancehall artist and more know if you not pick up who she a talk about, you know what I mean? Because people comment in the comment section and them say a jack your, you know what I mean? But more know what you think seen, and also she talk about she diss up, you know what I mean, the woman will always a come cry on the internet and I talk about this and that. I don't even remember what she name seen, but she her picture up here, so you see me. And Swissly, you know, when I share with you about Swissly thing, so Blinga them did a talk about it, you see me I say, and I catch a look apart and I can share that with you with some of the people, them at least a female, give fear experience when she fly out and what them do with her things them. You see me I say. Also my people, King, you see me, he might talk about like how people do him and what him do for people, you see me I say, and him go hard look a while ago my people, and me I say to myself say, you know what I mean, King them get the opportunity to be like be something, you see me, and it's like then take up themselves and take with themselves, right? When them could have build themselves and build a foundation, you see me. So more know what you think about when me I go share with you what him a say, you understand? Cause me people me feel like say like certain things when me used to see a happen for him, like it not really happen me now, and he mash up whatever him get from when him used to see, you see me. So that right now I kinda make him go off some of the time and say some things, right? So Rosalie, you know, and Candy, the two of them kick off. Rosalie saying have nothing to do with Candy again, you see me. And as me say, Kyla talk about the woman and the woman respond to Kyla, so me I go share the woman I respond to Kyla also. So we are gonna kick it off with people with Blinga them and then we share the rest.
Okay, Blair, come tell us what he said, Blair. Come. Send a request, Blair, and come tell us what he said. Because Blair, we don't want to say what he didn't say. He never said that. Okay. I could have swore I heard he said the furniture then move out. So you can send a request and come and tell me. I like when you guys correct me.
Bling,
Hello.
maybe what happened, them just a listen to the first part of the video. Some of them don't see the video,
But
them
I
just a
don't
listen
go
to the
like video
first
this.
part.
And if you do go
Exactly.
like this.
So them just a go listen to what you play. Most of them not see the video. If them listen it for themselves, them would have know what him say.
All right. So no, he said them there. Oh, sure. Listen, whether or not, no. We understand say family are fuckery, but you know what I think it is, share. Them watch him on the app and see say him a get, you
He
know,
might get things,
it gives
so
them
him
so,
will buy what him
right.
can buy back.
So that's why them feel comfortable to sell out the man furniture them. So what
Exactly.
I mean I say, me not want to not feel like say me I say the person right to sell out to you furniture. Him no, me not give him the right this so. You understand?
But
But
Blinga,
hmm?
if you even come a foreign for your regular visa for a little 3 months, 4 months, when I go down, most of your things on the miss to see me. Because me come a foreign before me leave a permanent, come work under the tier for my visa. And by the time I figure back down for like 3 months, 4 months, this miss that miss me have to have customer going bad. So I just take a plane, things start missing. But that's for reach at airport. And the
But that's
ticket
so
buy.
Jamaica stay. Everybody should have known see so Jamaica stay by now. Especially family. Not all of them, you know, but
No, I don't know
God no.
stranger family, but sometimes you have to just know say just so it go. But when them go extreme, it really heartbreaking. And you know, expecting me rather than ask you. Call
It
me and ask me. Not
heartbreaking.
you see me and do this or that. Call me up and say, because when me decide the final decide, say, yo, me now go back to the yard now. Me see my way through and me go work it and see if it work for me and it work for me. Thank you, Jesus. My friend call me and say, Mom, XYZ, me can't get that dresser there. And the dresser there, me work hard downtown, you know. If you get that dresser there, you know, I'm going to say, Era, yeah, take the dresser, get that one under the bed, get that one under this, get Auntie Sue my washing machine, get that one under this. Yeah, come and know, so I now go back. So I make them have the things them there. Era, tell the landlord, say, yo, now eat that to me. I'm going to just share them up. But ask me, can I leave them there for a while? Because you never know what will happen. So posting never work out for me. I may have to go back on the next
Go back
ticket, on the next
exactly.
flight or something. I don't want to have to go down to go start over for everything. And then I feel go through nothing. I want to have more I did have to rock back on and improve myself, not to start back over from scratch. So when you work out, I'm there, I say, here, I eat this, you know, plan I go through. Ask me things, I'm going to start shit up. But I don't want to think down there right now, more than to start lying.
And
Alright,
tell them
Rocky, them ask. You in a Rocky, them never
Yes,
ask. The uncle never ask Swiss.
yeah, I'm going to get asked.
Them just take it. So you have most people we ask and most people them now go ask.
And people who never ask me to, me send something to them because I remember kindness. I remember Auntie Stu. I say, get Auntie Stu my washing machine.
Exactly, because them do good to you.
Yeah. Yeah, and I couldn't give nobody else that much to you.
Alright, so my people, me did say what me I say when me did share my opinion with you in the last thing when me upload. So if you don't want to see everything, you have to go pre the last thing when me put up. You see me? So on a level still my people, you are going. As me say before, it's like maybe them say nobody now comfy things them. Yes, what me I say, and them say boy, him now go on them there's something that can reach on a different level, you know. You see it. So maybe that's the reason why them taking things them. You see it. But them should have make him know. You see, that's the biggest part of the thing. I don't feel like say him feel no way. Oh, them take the something them, but them not make him know. You see it. I just that are the thing when I feel like say him feel a way about. But make me know what I think in the comment section. So we're gonna go over to Kyla, you know, my people, and hear what she has say about the artist and also what she has say about the woman, and then me I go make on hear what the woman has say. You see me?
We as people for see good in me, cause you know good. No blood clot good. Or when people do no good and do good for uno say them bad. Uno tear them down. Uno do all sorts of things to them. Uno turn up for nothing at all. They fall for anything. You understand me? And uno like people stand up for themselves either because uno are sheep. Uno are no mind on uno own. Uno will come like things where they control. Uno easy to manipulate. And then you have to talk about so this and that and this and that. And me I tell that a bumbo clot. And me I tell that at all. And me I tell that. The list private. The list is private. Why the sender's list is private? Why is it private? Why the list is 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 private and somehow no bumble hole come and looking at people's face every day and I talk about stop violence again. If you want to stop violence against little children and women, let them release the list. Because it's a pattern that these rapes have. All of these rape a pattern. The whole of them once always. If any call for you got prison feet, you always are going to be a rape. But when me sit down and me look into it, you know love culture, you know like woman to some woman they like you know blood clot self. One time I see one man and girl belly down a west. And a girl says she want the man to come out of prison. She want him to be free so they can go on and live their life, their best life. I say, what a fuck like this, man? I say, if I see that girl, I step in her neck. Girl food. You know, defend them money all when time they want out on no belly. And you know, I left on the road. You know, still defend them. You know, still defend them. You know, still defend them. For what? For what? What is stand up for? You think so them are going to release that list if we not put pressure upon them? You know feel say them are going to release that list if we not put pressure upon them? You think so them are going to ever release that list if we as people don't put pressure upon them? How is it that America, England, you can find a lot of court cases on in Google, you know? If you type in certain people name, you know, you can find a lot of court cases and documents. The whole everything on Google. You can find them. Why they are so secretive? They're already traumatized. How much pitney, how much woman? What you protect them for? And they don't talk say no love woman. We love woman. We like woman. We love woman. What the blood clot you don't like? You don't like no woman? You like no blood clot woman? Most of them blood clot Jamaican man give me down low vibes, bisexual vibes. Most of blood clot give me bisexual vibes. Vibes, you know, like give me vibes like on body behind closed doors. Eh? All of these have history. Look on the artist. He had put one at a woman's head and tell the woman to skin out her crutches and take for man. And the whole of you say like blood clot girl did that tell. The whole of you me never know say that as I saw you going, you know. To no rally for this, you know. Jamaican wicked people, you know. Eh? And then me feel like myself careless, so you know, when time I see someone who come tell me say me too paranoid. Oh, me feel the blood clot paranoid in this blood clot, yeah. Eh? Girl, now ask me which artist. If you're slow, you're slow. Now ask me not, me not call nobody name. Who no. Ask me full question. You all want to know and I go like you know. Somebody I look at screen record and you look for go post up. I said what I said.
Alright, so people, wanna look to the comment section and wanna look at which artist them a go put up. You see me, and then she a go say something more after, you know, where I go, you know what I mean, more make people say other artists there. You see me, in my opinion, I him other artists there, Jackie or she attack. You see me, that's just my opinion still, because the way she talk and what she say after when I go hear what she say, that I go she will say yo, you know what I mean, like she attack but she not really want call him name for say nothing, you know what I mean. So I want to tell me what I think in the comment section. We are going to watch some more of what she has say, and then we are going to hear she talk about the woman, and then we are going to hear what the woman say. See, so let's watch some more.
The man hold on the woman, put gun at, and the whole of Jamaican people to a protest for him and saying if he come out. And this was the same man that years after had held woman ass in a house. More than one woman. Not one woman, you know, but more than one blood clot girl in all her house. Also till her period come down panar. These are facts. An opinion this, I not hear say this. A facts this. Check the woman, tell woman say I go shot woman. And the whole of uno rally for him. He's innocent. A wicked girl wicked. A wicked woman wicked. A wicked this wicked. Look what it take for this man go back to prison. Foreign. Foreign. You have to tell me so you don't like woman. I mean you not tell say me if you put on my good clothes and go out and let me head back here this up. You then buy some money and run up and down with 8 women so. Me? We then have confused here. I run up and down. And a butter woman so and a man so and a drag woman in a bush and a cut head. And me run up and down careless and want to go and date with someone who know. Eh? I saw me blood clot. I saw me well want love. I want to go good. I may have so much deal when I buy on Amazon. I pay $20 for them. They have one 10-inch one in there. When I'm ready, it make me feel good. Yeah. And me, if I let myself careless for one. I to mention me look rose when me use sometime. That give me a good come. Me not thirsty. And me not hungry. And me not short of food. Me not short of nothing. Me not short of pleasure. Me not short of pleasure, so. Oh. And them they so then I give me no stickers. Most of who no disrespect woman. And them put walk and fuck 5 girl beer back when them take out to you have stench that come from me. Because everybody know when you go and body blood clot beer back. I want to talk about no respect, blood clot. Woman, if you no respect woman, do them something there. Because I know, say if you bag a girl beer back, you know, say you go throw off a girl, a girl PH. Raw sex. And when you come to them and you tell them, say, boy, you know, say, then they say, are you sick or something wrong with you? Fucking fools. Uneducated fools. I'm the type of man that these days. You can't get my crutches so easy if you have them mentality there. You suck your man. Straight. And no boy now dirty up my bed. That me I tell you. No pussy test boy, so that pussy are clean right through. I can't do any amount of test or any amount of STI9 panel and not come back positive because I keep my old tight and nice and clean. I don't run joke with my crutches. I don't run joke. They don't respect woman, they don't like woman. They might blame woman about clothes or talk about dress or you want to be addressed. Make sure you not pay attention to the kind of people you know they're around, you know. Dress how you want. You know how much time you go up on the road. And I'm looking leggings, them, I'm looking t-shirt, because I like big shirt and marina. Right? A man see me on the road and I harass me. And I post it out in my clothes or nothing like that. And you want to tell me, say, you dress or you want to be addressed. If you are going to beach, you're supposed to wear long pants and t-shirt if you are going to one beach party. And that you try to tell me, say, eh? A lot of these men are down low, you hear me say? Take it from me, most of them men are down low. And that me I tell you now. Oh. Most of them man are down low. They don't like you know. Them don't like you know. Take it from me, they don't like y'all. Alright.
Alright, some people we are gonna listen to what she are gonna say about the woman, you know. Cause it look like say she used to do things for the woman and she stopped do things for her, you see me, because she see what the woman up to. Because enough people do things for the woman and she is like she not do nothing with what she get. You see me I say? So I could hear what she has said and then we hear what the woman has said.
People People like them, they don't forget the help. We don't go give sick people no money. People have cancer. People who have certain illness, pitney, we're in an orphanage, we not no parents. That the dirty suck already, I bad-minded bitch. Don't forget $1 from nobody. You suck your mother. You don't forget $1 from no fucking body around no hype life. I come talk about say, me no restaurant no there hotel like a Pegasus, so I want me pay 40 grand a night for stay. Not even me never stay a blood clot Pegasus. Anytime I got AC hotel a people book that, me no stay them expensive blood clot place there. If me could have live a mobile and did have the money and stayed on a fucking first choice. What you mean say first choice a fuck and this and that? Dirty girl when I used to know at all. When time I know used to know at all, I saw no go on about every little thing. You used to blood clot nothing, girl. You come talk about. If me can stay a fucking first choice for days, and sometimes I come from foreign, and that's what I catch for the night. I mean, me never did that so yet, and nothing bad happened to me. Nobody never disrespect me down there yet. All the man will always open the gate was nice to me. Every time he see me come there, he open the gate for me. All if them full, he say, boy, mama, you know say the place full, but here we go on. Me I go try make you get a room. I saw me go everywhere and deal with people good. If you ask me for your juice, me buy my juice. Me a one girl who can go anywhere, you know, not because you know see me so I feel like my hype, you know. Not because you know see me so. Me can move on by myself and safe. Because me know if I move. Me not going like me better than people. I'm too nice, I'm a shit. Me know, I know hard life, I know roughness. I never forget where me I come from. Me not gonna take my money and dash away to prove a point to nobody either. If me in a one situation, I can stay here so for the night, I know some have look water, can bathe myself and brush my teeth and whatever it is, I am okay with that, guys. I am okay. Right there, me I come from, brother. Me know if I go river and bathe in a bad pan and wash out my little panty them and wash out my school blouse them and them something. Me bathe a river morning time and evening time, plenty time. Me never forget that, not because me live in a big apartment uptown now and me drive markets, we are skate and toll. Me forget where me I come from. That's why you can't reach nowhere, because you want blood clot walk before you fucking creep. You cannot reach nowhere, Majestic, because you want to walk before you creep. Because you go carry a guy one guest house with a claim say your man want to kill you. And you go come and tell people say you not have no restaurant to eat. When you actually can order food, them sell snacks. I carried snacks for you. I carry clothes for you. I carry towel for you and all of these things. Me I'll carry panty go give blood clot, girl, brother. I believe. I'll panty me supposed to do carry go give the girl. Eh? I come talk about. But people are going like say them this and because she not this and you not that. And who for fault why you not this and you not that? And who for fault why you not this and you not that? Eh? Girl, when I did all of those things, I did it from my heart, you know. Me never do it because me didn't want a clout and a attention, you know, girl. And me go through my own trauma same way like you know, me hold up my blood clot head, you know, girl. Me no make my trauma hold me down in a life, you know, girl. My mother will abuse me. I have to go live to see that blood clot girl have things in her life and make something out of life. Me no want no clout from you, Majestic. Me help you because my sister you have it too pitney them. And my sister, boy, this abuse, this look serious. But getting to understand, say, you are the problem. You are the corruption. Me therefore hate the man. Me can't hate the man that are the man. And you choose to be in that situation. And you want to come bring down people like me, dirty girl. Girl. I come talk about naked picture. And then blood clot there. That time I used to dance, go. People not see me naked. What's the difference? People not see me naked and give me a nice clean blood clot money after my crutches not stink, girl. My crutches never stink. It means that I would never see a naked at Majestic. Everybody hear about you put somebody will breed 2 times. One pitney barn and one on the way. And everybody hear him all the man talk about your pussy. All one time young boy cuss and them can't tell me say my pussy big. No boy never tell me say my big. No boy can tell me say my pussy Majestic. No boy at all. Man I ask Christ. No boy cannot tell me say my big. No boy. And say want to talk about pussy and talk about all of these things. Like say me in a blood clot competition. I saw on the roadside prostitute corrupt. And that's another on the roadside because on the corrupt I be a science you don't believe and this and that and believe it set up girl. Me thank God say never blood clot set me up because oh you talk you that set up people life. You are a wicked bitch. You is a wicked girl. You is not nice. You're not a nice girl. I'm not care nobody want to say. You're not nice at all. Your heart don't clean. And that's why the same place when me pick you up at the same place I left back.
Me nah lie still people. A whole heap of people come out for her still and give her things and you know what I mean, do things for her, You see me I say? But it's like say she nah do nothing with what them give her. So she always come back for get more things from people. I don't know say I saw people get fed up and leave one see her again. You know what I mean? And at the same style she come with and me see a thing with them I say why youth stay just like how she stay. I come out every time and people are game and him I come out again and again the people them tired of him. You see me? So me no want to think the people we are going to hear what she has say around.
Chap feel like jagger. Country jagger. Why you not give me your bank account or your pin code and me chap feel line? Give me it now? Just get card come give me pin and make me go down my bank. Cause me not do this, me not know about this scamming thing. I don't know about it. I only way me know. Get bank card come give me. Cause me no want know which fuck me a chap. I don't know if somebody can try if you come online come chap or Rose and give. When me see people a chap, me add millions, me see them chap. Millions. Me chap of them chap. So I don't know what you are talking about. Go on back over real scam and thief them live. And that's enough to do. I them want to no money no. I know me. But just start trying to get little healthy, fix up all little place so I can go in and me pick them but. They say I like me I tell on a prank so I say go. Everybody have a figure talk about now. I have a bad picture. I'm gonna give her shit when I have about and right now asleep. Wisdom is still in her life. Wisdom is in her life. You see anybody who can ask me certain questions, me now go answer on it. Before I look something to go over their life, go talk about. One not go over there, go talk all different kind of false, all different. One not go bring up all different kind of assumptions and all different kind of things like I always do. Kerry Berry, look what me in a youth, eh? Look what me have to go through youth and a female sit down. I try to bring me down. Not even say make them sit down upon their life. If me understand say I don't want to give you know claim for say how the money me want. Alright, if you don't want to give me the money, sit down for your life now. Just say alright, you claim for say me not have nobody to advise me because they must say oh no over here give me foolish advice. That's why me come back and I do what me I do. So you know as a female, well claim for say you know better. Why not sit on your live and talk positive or say something inspiring or something nice or motivate, try to motivate the person or give the person a good advice as a female. Eh? You as a female now go slump on your life and try to bring down somebody, talk about them body parts where you never encounter in your life. Try to bring them down and you don't know them in a real life. Eh? How can you bring down somebody you don't know in real life? Me the things say I went to you know somebody you could have bring them down and talk things about them. But you know as a female you claim to say you know better and you better than me. Eh? Try to motivate somebody now. Talk positive for your life. Try to give the person a word of encouragement. That you do. You know, for your life, sit down, you and people gather. I try to bring down somebody who don't know in a real life youth. But me I tell you, you can't bother me youth. You don't know me nothing. At the end of the day, we are going to see how we're going here. Thank you, miss. Thank you for the roses. You're just an idiot now, but what more motivation you need? Look how stupid you be. Hmm? You come out of my life with no one followers here. And a fake account. Hi, moms. Thank you, Miss Brittany, for the roses. Thank you. It's alright, man. I didn't go and do what I do. I don't care, you. I don't care. I don't care who wants them on live and talk about me. I don't care no more.
Alright, so people, it's like the people them are show out, you know what I mean? And them a do things fair, but them nah see nothing. You see me I say? Them nah see she a level up nor nothing like that. So people are go pray. You know what I mean? People are go say no man, she nah do nothing with what we are do fair. So them a go have them opinion. You see it? So I don't want to think people because of that she said, you know what I mean, I guess she did talk more, but me never catch that. At that party I me catch. You see it? So we are going to hear where King I say and all my people. So I could go over to King and hear what him I say.
Poor. Poor. You see the rich batty man and not do him nothing. But you know I fuck around the poor batty man. People, Jamaican people, who no fuck up and no corrupt. Who no blood clot corrupt. And no happy. No fuck her up.
Yeah, because of money.
Because of money, I want to fuck him. Who know with blood clot money. Yeah, enough I want to talk about bias cartel to come out. Right now, if a man put $1 blood clot $1 million here, so and say me I give you $1 million. Bias cartel come out of jail and you know dash your blood clot can take you $1 million US. That is sure so no loyal. I'm glad my blood clot loyal. I'm going to tell you something enough people not going to believe. Man shoot blood clot house today and 3 day time in their blood clot shop. I trust and the woman say nah trust him. I'm take up my bumbo clot money because guess what, in youth hungry. And the baby a ball, the baby a 3-year-old. And the baby a ball saying hungry. And I take up my money and buy something to give him pitney. And I know so they push out of my house. And I know for the art that I have. When I just come on TikTok, I made the first influencer come on TikTok and start play game on TikTok. And I boss everybody. They put out one of the most bumbo clad famous people them on TikTok right now. And guess what? Them turn on against me and hate me. And spread rumor upon me and tell be a bumbo clad people about me. When me dey on TikTok, they not get no gift. And me and my gifters them go over there go gift them. Me I send the gift to them say yo, I made the first youth on TikTok. Me say yo, I don't want no gift. Go over there, give every boss, give the person there, give the person there. I am the only person who do that on TikTok. Here, none of uno ever see me on TikTok. None of uno ever see me put up no video. I do things to people and post it. The amount of things I do for people, I don't post it because I feel like say when I do things to people and post it.
It's not genuine.
It's not genuine.
In a genuine.
You know what do it for people see it. Anybody who go up on TikTok and do things to people and post up it, you know what, do it for fucking fame. Me not do things to people and post it. Sasha can tell you. The amount of things me Sasha do for people.
Cool boss come.
You get what I mean? I want to the people man enough to go man. Joe no say king do things. I run off him out and talk. You see me? It's not about do things to people and fucking talk. Here? You know what time my last and fucking gateway? Kids them come from school and show no what go on. You see me I say? I want to the people man. Yo, you know heart of a blood clot clean. Means big up a selfie cap, you know. You know heart with blood clot in stop corrupt, you know. You know heart is so fucking bad mind and corrupt. Sometimes me try to hate you know, me can't. Yo, not tell me no time me try to hate people and can't hate them. Many times me try to hate people and can't hate them. Many times me try to hate people and cannot hate them. Me don't know what for. But Father God is good. And Father God nothing do me in a life. It's a shade, eh? Oh God, we can pick them come out fast. Out of bus, you know. Father God is good. Father God, thank you so much. Guys, me can I get 100k likes, please? Guys, can I have 100k likes, please? 600 over here, guys. You know, can tap the screen, please? Or me could just come off alive and I just come off alive. Yeah, me just come off alive, guys. I need 100k. I need 50k likes. Yes, alright. Watch me son. Watch me bum right, son. I want to watch me son. Watch me son, people. Watch me daughter. Watch me two daughter them. Watch me two daughter them. Watch me two daughter them. Watch them. Look at my lovely daughter. Watch it. Look at me two lovely friggin' daughter them. Brother, it take a real bumbo clock man to come a foreign and I left them pitney. It take a real man to work hard and save money to bring in whole family come a foreign and I left nobody. Here? It take a real man to do that. It take a real man to do that, people. Any boy will take up himself and come a foreign and left his family. Sometimes maybe happy no habit, but sometimes in a life, people. Me. Work hard. No joke. I tell me to that real. I tell me to them people, yo, how can people can look down for a man like a me? We can't blood clot read and write, blood clot good. We cannot read and write good and work hard and save money for my whole family. Look at my family. Look at my family. Look at my lovely friggin' family, people. I want to take me for a wicked person. I want to deal with me so wicked pan blood clot bus YouTube and deal with me so. It take a real man to do that. It take a real man who can read and write good to do that. It take a real man to work hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm myself for blood club was come foreign for cross where we cross and spend how much money and save. Me don't choose blood club was hype care and hype life over family. Me save. Wish come mama come. You see me I say? I work man work hard for this people. People begging up 50k like say please. Work hard for these people. Yo, me I want you brother, me look at myself. Me get visa. Me get visa, the same link. The same link where blows and skirt Sicily go through. Are the link that me get to come a foreign. And I say no, me not want no visa. Me not let my family at Jamaica. I bring my whole family come from. Me not take no visa for nobody. Because me is a boy and me alone if you come a fucking foreign. You see me I say me alone if you come a foreign and I say me no want no visa. Me good. And me not take it.
Daddy, leave me up.
You see me I say me happy. Me not let me family. You see me I say? Me say me not let me family. I'm not leaving my family. You see me I say? Sasha, come for the live, Sasha, come all wish. Sasha, me and tired, Sasha, come for the phone. I'm all wish. I want to know people, man.
Just as me.
So it look like him did the live with some youth and them style him up. You see me I say? Them diss him up. So that's why him going and him feelings and I say, where I say. And people with them being in America and the way them reach, you see me I say, me I look upon it a way where me I say, them could have do something a yard because things not sure which part them they you know. And if them to send them back, them are go there, them maybe I go drop lower than which part them did there. You see me I say? So I feel like say them should have do it at Jamaica and sort out themselves and maybe do what them do after that. So I go watch some more my people.
Real nigga like me, man. I want to know people, man.
Yeah, for real. Remember, a phone call when they get. And it's a base. If I not come, I not go.
Espanol.
Yo, may I get my visa? Tasha, tell us me get my visa. No, Sasha, I'm gonna take it, Sasha, man. May I get my visa? I'm gonna take it. Me say, I don't want that.
Man, no, that's legit thing you matter about. Legit thing. See me like how you see how entertainers.
Yo, may I get my visa to come a foreign for go be MC and for go do like enough blows and skirts show me I get a foreign media Jamaica enough show from Florida to from Miami to New York to blows and skirts. Sasha, tell them when me the Atlanta me get all big old stand up comedy. Can me go mash up one place Atlanta. Go do stand up comedy mash up a whole place and guess what people me still put on that. Them a call more times if me can come in and me tell them say no me work on things. Because I know me stand and I know me after I know what me I do in a life. Well become on man. You see me as a people. I want to the people man, yo, you can't look for a nigga like me where hard Chinese you don't hate me. You know hate me for what me don't know.
But you know gotta get people you must. You gotta have. You not gonna have. No, man, let's make sure stay.
You see me I say? Look for a youth like me, people hate for no reason at all. I just come an idea. You see me I say? How can you not hate people like me? I'm gonna do nothing.
We can't stop people from hating you.
No, I'm not talking about that. As I said, people, yo, when we get to find out in our life,
and he brought did a drink too, you know.
when we get to find out in our life, people, you see more good you do in your life, or the more you good on. But we get to realize that Jamaican people like when people are hypocrite. Jamaican people like hypocrite more than people are real. Because the man like me will talk the truth about something on Tik Tok. You don't hate me for that, but the man who grown and chicken up on Tik Tok and sweeten up and telling you, oh guys, don't worry about that. And for me, will talk the truth.
Hey, leave it.
I'm making you hear, you don't hate me for that. How can you hate a man to speak the truth?
He's a Virgo.
If you got to crucify Jesus.
Crucify Jesus.
If you got to crucify Jesus, I expect better for enough for you. I expect better for enough for you. Because you crucify Jesus, you're fuck.
What? What?
Bees hive?
Bees hive? Bees?
Yes.
There's a bees in it?
Yeah, bees in it.
Yeah, don't go there.
You see me, I say, I expect nothing better for you. Your Father God, big up yourself, Father God. If you got the day to blood clubs and I go in a bank and take out the $3 million for to buy blows and skirt, big old fat BMW. And I tell myself, say, boy.
Why?
I tell myself, Sasha, tight, Sasha, man. Just relax, man. I tell myself, boy.
Hey, Mr. One Dog, so yeah.
I tell myself about that. I say, why not go buy a car?
Jesus, I'm hard. Hey, girl, stop it.
I can't go buy a piece of land. I go put back my bum and rice money. And see it at the same money I go put back at the same friggin' money. Help me to come a foreigner. For me save. And plus Jamaica lock down much money for me at Jamaica. The money lock down at Jamaica. Father God, one day Father God, may bless you. Father God, may I beg you one day Father God, for bless me, I can go back to Jamaica so I can get back my money for them down there. Yeah. Yeah, Father God, may I beg you. Yeah, me fight for life. You see me, I say, me fight for life. Life me fight for. You see me, I say, become like Malcolm X. Me fight for what is right. You see me, I say, but people me can't see screaming because it's Sunday on the phones and me can't see screen. So if you not comment, me can't see. If you comment, me can't see. How this? How this? Me say how this? But me can't see screaming. So yo, big up everybody now. Tell.
Yo, King, me there tell you, yo, dog, me never there this year, you see me, dog, I just tell me there tell you, dog, them say, your name too much pussy, you see me?
My general, you mess me G. He's a mobile man to me, brother. Me have a son of beer right now. We are 14 year old me G. And it's some man me G. I show you. This is some man. Some man a waste man, brother. And some of them boy they be me G. Me live a flank of blood clot 8 years, brother. Some of them boy they can't see me on the road. That's nothing to me, my general. You hear that? Them boy that see me. Them boy that see me, brother, size up, brother, because them boy that know man from beer, brother. Them boy that see me, I hold them own me G. You hear that? Yeah. Some boy that know man, brother. You hear that, me G? So sometimes when some of them boy that run off them, brother, laugh for them, me G. I 41 time man got blood clot jail. I got jail 9 times a blood clot there. You hear that? Some man that even know some man that run off them mouth. You see me G? So, some little youth, we just go sit down and hold them on, brother. Me a 40 year old, me G. And enough of them boy then got you when me got you in life. You hear that, me G? So some of them for relax. Some of them boy they sit down and watch blood clot Chris Brown and all of them blood clot boy there. But when them say I look at Jamaican, them a try size up. You hear that? Brother, I 8 years me live a flanker for brother. Me live a Salt Spring, flanker. Me live a Salem. You hear that?
For true.
You hear me G? Enough of them boy when them see me G, them have to hold them own them boy they can't say that brother. I mean the only blood clot you they are smaller than boy. No boy can say nothing to it. Me come from one of the rarest blood clot coming to the best. Russian blood clot Hatfield me come from brother. I was
no boy,
brother.
none.
No boy can say nothing. If you know me blood clot mean, no boy can size up and try style the thing. Oh, you're going to some? Oh, alright, babes.
I say go man, no take it serious. Watch out me general man. Yeah, hear me? No take it serious.
Yeah, bro.
I just gimmicks man, I just team, you see me?
Yeah, bro, but sometimes some youth know what I say, brother. Bro, because brother, me tell you something, G. Bro, murder was jazz more than man catch me watch blood clot man on the pants. You mad? Now watch no boy on the pants around here, brother. No boy on the pants, brother. You hear that? Yeah, me the car, hold this.
I am dying. Have it you.
So alright my people, let me know what you think in the comment section about everything what him say. You see me, because some of the things them what him say may have my opinion upon it, but you know what I mean, a man do what him want to do. You see me? So I want to know what you think. So we are go over to Rosalie, you know, because as I say, Rosalie and Candy, you know what I mean, them kick off and Rosalie have some things to say. You see it. So make we hear what Rosalie has say and then we are going to end it.
Screenshot me get. She said, Rosalie, stay far away from Candies and his life. I'm tired of them I do it so. I don't know the girl from Adam, much less even me not PR. Me not PR, I don't know her from nowhere. She said, Rosalie, stay far away from Candice and his life. She said, Rosalie, not say nothing. She said, Rosalie, don't say nothing out of your mouth. Nobody say nothing. Just listen to me I say. But how can I sit here and play hypocrite with you? How am I to do that? How am I still going to play hypocrite with you? That makes any sense? How can I sit here and play hypocrite with you? That makes any sense? That not make no sense. So yeah, me get something, I get a screenshot on my phone and if I just sit down, and I say nothing, no, we can't play them the role there with people. Because at the end of the day, when me get them the screenshot there, you gonna call my phone, Rose, I'm on the yeah. I'm no me in a yo. I can't play it. Me will always and forever love me and believe in me, believe in her. Me can't play them the role there. Me can't play. What me there? For me no in a yo, you gonna know. If me have a problem with you, you're gonna know. If I don't have a problem with you, you see that also. But me not play the hypocrite role. Now people, we're there on TikTok long enough. And if you can't read, your nuts them can read. If you can't read, your nuts them can read. And when they typed all things about me, I was over there Sunday and I was defending you. I put my mouth in your business to defend you and to all them classmates over there. When I leave, my door say me I leave. I'm going to tell myself I'm going to stop go over there. I tell myself saying I'm done my life at night time. I'm going to turn on my TV. I have some of the Netflix account. What am I pay for when they now watch it? What am I pay for? I'm going to turn on my TV. I tell myself I'm going to stop go over there. And so I'm literally sit down and tell myself, say, me now go back over there. Because at no given time, my comment section can't class you. So why you can't do the same? And so I have no luck with people. And so I have no luck with people all the while. My comment section cannot class you. So why your comment section class me? And then you're going to say, oh, true, you can't read nothing, no go so. So when I say moderator, move that person. It's just a joke. I'm not stupid as I'm looking at. And me realize, say, me have this thing on me. Me have this thing in me too enough. Because me a walk have people back when I have my own. Me a walk have people back when I have my own. Me a walk have people back when I have my own. Me want too much friend. And a great man once told me, seek a friend before you need one. Cause not because they can send more $100 or $200 or 2 gifts. You must disrespect somebody for no reason. Cause after the blood clotting one, you know, you can send more $100 or $200 gift. You're gonna disrespect someone for no reason. You have them little try to class me, be a laugh and get out and act. I've seen it all.
Yo, I don't know how much time Rosalie and Candy kick off and turn back friend. Whole heap of time. You see me I say, I wonder why them people up on TikTok do what them do. You see me I say, because enough time them kick off, you know, and then when you look, them good again. You see me I say, some wonder what them do it for. If a person show me who they are, you know, them now have to show me more than one time, you know. If you show me who you is, me gone where me gone, and you gone where you gone. You see me I say, me and you now go kick off over again. You see me I say? So me don't know why them do it. You understand me? So let me know what you think the people are going to listen some more.
You don't know no kind story. Me don't know no kind story. Cause number one, me not recycle. That's a number one. So a great woman told me, Rosalie, integrate. I just said, you're not recycling. That's no problem. It's no big deal. Me not in a no coin story. Enter my company ranking board, come achieve on TikTok. The first thing one thing I learned to do is save. So I'm good. Me not in a coin story. Me come on, me play too much with my people, me talk, me laugh, get Latin. You understand? Stop style me. Stop style me. Stop make people style me, bro. Stop make people style me, bro. Stop make people style me, bro. And them enough me for sit down and I say nothing. Stop make people style me, bro. And you make Kasha style me and you make Tika style me. And you make me know them. When I have your back lock like 10 padlock. Me have message when me get on my phone. We girl lepan. She lepan, come Candy, make me go play a match. Me not telling the answer people them, come, make me go play a match. Why you make people style me all the while, bro? And you play like you don't know what go on. You don't know what go on, I just say you play. Stop playing them the role, bro. Like you don't know what go on and you blame it because you can't read. Stop do them thing there, bro. Me not come for argue, me not come in a scandal, me not come in a bring down. Have my back like how me have your own. When store come up and me a girl slung pan live in a box. And say me a pick up for you, cause some my man do me too. Me run with fear and take her off of you. Cause everybody has said do it. Everybody I say you do that, you do this, you do that. I'm gonna run with Fiona and take her off of you. So if you don't move your blood clot, move. I love the pussy clot boy, move. But take them off of you. When Tatiana know what them people, but take them off of you. But come shoot them up, book, bam, and take them off of you. And your one comment section, you can't control none at all, and it's not the first. It always happen. Something been happen over and over and over and over. People can jump the gun. Always jump the fucking gun. I see them a class me. I don't know why I'm not stay far from you, know. I don't know why I don't stay far from you. Stay far from the east is the blood clot west. Yeah. Because I have no luck with people. I don't have no luck with people. See, that's in the blood clot this. I don't have no luck with people. You can't read. Somebody can read for you. I'm not stupid as how I look. When it get kind of messy Sunday, someone turn it off. When it get messy on Sunday, someone turn it off. Because it was messy Sunday. It's not the first time, people. Okay, Diara. Don't blame me, you can't read when you can't read, when you can't read. Then who is there can read for you?
So him dep on him live more while and him a say this a person a forget black and this a person a fi whatever. Or him know where the person them saying at the comment fi them get black or whatever. Tell me how I think the people. Some foolishness have gone. Or him know where them say. You see me? Or him know where them say. So people, we are going to watch a couple more minutes and then we are going to end it. Tell me what you think in the comment section. But as I say, my people, from you show me who you is, man, you don't have to show me again. I eat that. You know what I mean? Me gone my ways, you gone your ways.
Not everything you will see can come and run. But who's there can read for you. Who is there can read for you, me there Elsie. Who is there can read for you. So how comes I always have your back but you can't have mine? Huh? How comes I can have your back but you will never, ever, 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 ever have mine? Why? Because I can't read? But if you don't stay far from one another first you class me. Or you make, not you, and the first you make them class me. Not the first. It's not the first you make them class me. Remember one time one of them come and say, but the big back girl over there class my blood class family, me get the screenshot. And I said to him, say, why you have your moderator class me? That's not cute. You say me your friend, me know you a long time. And as the life could I end so. What's that me so come? I'm sorry then go on. As I could have jump off so. Them fly up over there like chicken mirror heart. 4 of them one time. Bloop, blap, bloop, blap, blap. Let's look at this. Look at this. Come over this fuck. Come off of this fuck. Come off of this. Get off of this. What the fuck you talking about? Get off of this. Move. I'm gonna dodge table out, Claude. Don't come over here with no fake pitch. Come time shit. I need to stay in my own lane. Come off of this. Come off of this and lift up. Get off this. Don't come here. I say film. Yes, if him comment section messy, my own hours have to be clean. If him comment section messy, my one have to be clean. But I say no more. Pour a top shot, I say no more.
It's alright, my people. Tell me what you wanna think in the comment section. Alright, just so I go end it.